There are a lot of different programming languages out there, and some are better for hacking than others. Here are 5 of the most commonly used programming languages for hackers. 1. Python. Python is a versatile language that is often used for scripting and programming. It is popular for its ease of use and readability, and is used in a wide variety of industries, including web development, scientific computing, and data analysis. 2. Ruby. Ruby is a powerful programming language that is known for its ease of use and readability. It is often used for web development, and is used in a wide variety of industries, including finance, e-commerce, and software development. 3. C++. C++ is a powerful and versatile language that is often used for system and network programming. It is popular for its performance and stability, and is used in a wide variety of industries, including video game development, medical imaging, and aerospace engineering. 4. Java. Java is a popular